What's up, everyone? The CharacterFile.com team is here with a brand new video.
Today's vehicle is a BMW 3 Series F3320i with a 1.6 engine and 170 horsepower. We will be performing a Stage 1 tuning on this car.
Here it is, the ECU, ready for the next step. We complete the setup process and prepare the device for operation. In this step, we'll use the Magic Motorsport FLEX tool to extract the ECU data. We attach the necessary cables and establish a correct bench connection. The connection has been successfully established. The ECU reading is now finished.
After the ECU reading is complete, we go to CharacterFile.com and upload our file through the panel. Make sure that all the information is entered correctly. Now, let's drag and drop our file into the system. Then, simply tick the necessary boxes before submitting. Alright, now let's wait for our file to arrive. We never rush this process because CharacterFile.com always delivers fast, reliable, and professionally prepared files, usually within 25 to 30 minutes. Perfect. Our file has been delivered. Now, let's download it.
Now we're writing the new file to the ECU. File writing finished without any errors. We disconnect the ECU from the device, reinstall it in the car, and start the engine. We close the hood. The car is ready for delivery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.